Hello crafty friends, I have my Lawn Fawn parcel. I had to run outside and grab it from the postie with a half asleep baby in my arms. Had to run back inside, finish putting her to sleep, and now I can sit down and open this. I am so excited. I don't think I've actually had a shaped box like this from Lawn Fawn before. I usually grab the 12 by 12 papers from them, but this time I didn't, so this is a bit different. And I'm guessing I got a box because it's international, and I do have a few things in here, probably some bulky items, so let's have a look. I hope this doesn't disappoint you, but there's not a lot of actual Lawn Fawn stuff in this. Not a lot of stamps. I got most of my stamps already. I'll pop the link in the description below to the haul that I got from this release already. But this is bits and pieces from the website. I'm just going to wait for my cat to stop attacking a chair. Wonderful. Okay, so this is bits and pieces from the website that I've been after, and this was what I grabbed with my birthday discount. So my little birthday stamp should hopefully be in here too. So, oh, and the gift for the $60 plus order, because let's face it, I'm not going to spend less than that when I'm making an international order. So let's have a look and see. Oh, let's cut open all of this sticky tape. Oh my gosh, you get to open it with me from the very beginning. I love it. There's grass hanging out the top already. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. It's like a perfectly mowed lawn. It should be like illegal for me to destroy that. Look at it. Adorable. Okie dokie. Let's move you so we can see. Okay. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. Okay. Oh my gosh. It is packed. Oh, let's have a look-see over here. Let's move them out of the way. I can already see papers and some little things that I've bought. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move the grass. Can we do that first? This adorable grass. Oh god, I even feel bad throwing it out. It's just so cute. It's just all part of the experience from this company, isn't it? I was reading the other day about a small business who was told that they should stop doing freebies in their order by their accountant because it would save them money. And obviously she said no, because it brings back more customers, or it brings back returning customers, and I think that's totally true. How many of us buy big orders from Lawn Fawn in hopes that we get this adorable box full of grass? It's a silly little thing, isn't it? But it's just all part of what makes this wonderful experience from buying from such a beautiful little company. I think that is actually stuff in the sticky tape. Oh, there we go. Okay, so should we look at my little freebies first? I love that they tie them up in twine because I reuse this twine all the time. So who is this from? Is that Ivy? Thank you so much. Have a magical day. That is a cute little stamp set. That's beautiful. Okay, we'll have a look at this little dude in a second. So there we go. There's my birthday, my party unicorn. That is so cute. Oh, I just love it so much. And that is the freebie that I got for spending more than $60. That is really, really cute. What a cute little bunny. I just love these sentiments so much. I think they're so sweet. And again, they're just so up with the times and the kinds of cards that I guess we'll be sending out to people at the moment. So that is really cute. So those are my freebies. Plus the twine, I count that as a freebie because it's usable. And then I got some little papers from them too. How cute. I don't have this paper stack, so it's kind of nice to get a bit of a sample of something that I don't have. Oh, that's very cute. Super cute. I love those colors. That is really pretty. Okay, so those were my freebies. Now let's have a look at what else I got. I don't own the stamp set where this fox is originally from, facing the other way. As much as I would love to have every Lawn Fawn stamp set, as I've mentioned many times before, I'm on a budget, so I have to be super picky, and if I can't see myself using the stamps, I just have to skip them until I have an excuse to buy them later. But when I saw this little fox, I just thought he was adorable. So I've got this little guy now. I can't wait to play with him. I bought myself, I'm a bit of a pin collector. I've got lots of pins, especially like Harry Potter and magical ones and all sorts of things. But I really do love the Lawn Fawn ones. And oh my gosh, milk and cookies. Friendship goals. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I can't wait to show my husband that. He always cringes and laughs at the puns that Lawn Fawn have on everything. So let's have a look at what else I got in here. This is the new black ink that I've mentioned in some previous videos that I'm going to be trying. I am excited to see how well it goes. It does say that it can be used with watercolors, which is good, stamping and alcohol ink, so that's fantastic. So we'll give it a go, see how this goes. Hopefully it'll be a really good replacement for some of my inks that have run out. Okay, I've got some twine. I can't help myself with their twine. I think it's adorable. So this one, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's got pink, red, and white. And this one is pink and sparkly, or pink, purple, and sparkly. Adorable. I have quite a few Lawn Fawn twines now, and they're so much fun. I love the thickness on them, and I kind of like how stiff they are as well. I just feel like I can thread them through die cut things easily. I just really like the quality of them. And I've never run out of a single color that I've purchased yet. So there's a fair amount on there too. So what else did I get? Some refills for my tape runner. These, I'm just finding it tricky to find them in Australia for a decent price, but I figured while I was grabbing this order anyway, and while I had my birthday discount, that I would grab some refills so I can probably get using my little tape runner again, because I really miss it. It's one of my favorite things to use. These I grabbed because I kind of have decided that I like my ink blending tools. I do love my brushes a lot more for backgrounds, but these I'm finding are really good for my stencils, especially if I don't want to use a brush that is already loaded with different colors of ink. So I think I'm coming around to these a little bit more, but I've run out of these. Just as I fell in love with it again, I've run out of the little replacement foam pieces. So I got a stack of them. Again, I just figured with my birthday discount, it just made sense to grab it. This I saw for the first time on the website, and it's kind of exciting. So it's a little glue pen, I think. Should we open it and have a look? Let's give it a go. Let's see what this is all about. It says pinpoint roller glue, so that should be really handy for lots of tiny little things. Oh gosh, it's cute, isn't it? So there we go. There's a little cap on it, and I'm guessing that it's just full of glue. Hopefully I will show you this in some of my upcoming videos. I'll make sure I have it on my desk so I don't forget I've got it, and I'll give it a go. Oh, it's by Sakura. That's good. They have wonderful products, so hopefully I have just as much luck with this as I have some of their other things too. I have my little paper stack. Oh, let me trim the side of it because I'm gonna have to show you. I need to see what's in it, so I think you need to see what's in it too. I have my 12 by 12 already, and I have been loving it. Let me do this real quick. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, they are so cute. And I love that they're not double-sided, because I get so heartbroken with the double-sided sheets because I can never pick what side I want to use, and I feel like it's almost a waste that one side doesn't get seen. So they are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. I can't wait to play with them. I got some of the textured dot cardstock. Oh, it is actually very textured. That is very cool. And I got the pastels because I quite like the bright colors, and I feel like they'll make really good backgrounds in my cards. They're really pretty. They're probably even cuter than I thought they would be. And last, I know this is a bit of an older product, but I don't have any of this, and I was actually hoping to use it for a video that I have just finished filming and uploading, ready for the weekend. But this is the wood grain, the white wood grain cardstock, and that is really, really cute. I can't wait to get using that too. Wonderful. So that is what I got from Lawn Fawn. Oh my goodness, I love this company. I love everything they make. It's so hard picking and deciding what I'm going to get every time I make an order from them, because I really only make one order directly from them every year for my birthday. So this is, yeah, I guess a birthday present to myself. Just so cute. Look at how beautiful that is, and have a magical day. I can't wait to get playing with that. I'm really excited for this too. Thank you, Lawn Fawn, for including the little freebies. I absolutely love them. I can't wait to get playing with these. I am probably going to just get started playing with this right now while my kids are sleeping. I can't wait to show you what I make. Bye for now.